This is bad again? Okay. You can do it, you. A little bit more. Hey. Oh. You sure almost did it. That looks a little too late for us, though. Or is it? Jesus. Jesus. Fuck. Oh my fuck.
Now's not the time to be dead.
I had it all. Fuck. Oh man.
Undo.
I can't die here.
Vincent, no!
Now's my chance.
Undo. Undo. Undo.
I can't die here.
I'll support you.
Now's my chance.
Undo.
I can't die here.
Keep going.
I can bear it.
Okay. What? No.
Undo.
Okay.
I got it.
That doesn't do me anything.
Undo.
Any good?
Undo. Undo.
Merry Christmas and a Happy Hanukkah.
I got it.
Or I've lost.
Budge.
Fuck! Ah. Alright. Alright. About the Mundus? Well, I mean, they do exist, but it's still not like I fully grasp what you guys might think I should know yet. One of those things also, it's a lot easier to watch this and see things than it is to be the one to play it. I just say as someone who's edited a lot of shit and I've seen all the things I've missed in videos while editing it. I'm just like, how the fuck did I miss that, you know what I mean?
Undo. Undo. Edge.
Hmm.
Undo. Edge. Undo. Edge. 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 Edge.
Honestly, I'm not vibing this spot I'm in right now. Can I...
Undo.
I feel like I can somehow work with this, but I just don't know how yet. Just...
Bear it.
I got no... No, I'll just restart it. I'm sorry.
I can't die here.
Okay.
May you rest in peace.
Now's not the time to be dead.
Edge. Undo.
It's too like that, honestly.
Undo.
Just calm down.
Protect Vincent!
I can bear it.
I need you to fall. Thank you. Oh my god, no. Oh god. Cry won't die again because he's a G. Are you sure, Elven Society?
Now's not the time to be dead.
That was more of an F. Do I still have time for this? I mean, I was right at the end, so...
Undo. Undo. Edge. Undo. Edge.
By the power of music!
I can bear it.
Undo. Edge. 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 Edge.
Really?
Undo.
Ah. Oh man, I was so close and I can't get back up there. What am I? Alright, I need to stop doing whatever method I'm trying here. I'm gonna also try this out. Yeah, that's never mind. Wait a second.
Undo. Undo. Undo.
You guys wanna see a strat? This was like 4 years ago. You got this? I did it on normal mode on normal difficulty 4 years ago. do I do this every time? This'll help me out.
Undo. Undo. Edge. 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 Undo. Undo.
Jesus, baby.
Edge. Edge. Undo. Undo. Edge. Edge. Undo. Edge. Edge. Undo. Undo. Undo.
What have I done? Again. Oh,
Edge.
here.
Undo.
Fall. No, fall down here. Pull this.
Edge.
There. Okay.
Edge. Undo. Edge. Edge.
Finally back up here.
Undo. Edge.
Hurry, now's your chance.
I can bear it.
Undo.
Just calm down.
I need to relax, calm down. What am I doing?
Don't let you die.
Undo.
How do I get up? That kills him.
Undo.
That kills the run.
Undo.
Does this? Nope. I want to pull. That also kills it. Okay.
Undo.
Fuck.
Undo. Undo.
Dude, I am like so close!
Vincent, now!
Now's my chance.
Undo.
Alright,
Pause.
hang on. I have this.
Undo.
No.
Undo. Edge.
I can't die here.
I want to help.
Now's my
Undo.
chance.
Edge.
Hurry, how about
Can't
this?
die here.
Vincent, now!
Now's my chance.
Edge.
Okay,
Undo.
that's my problem.
Undo.
Here we go. Check this out.
Undo. Edge. Edge.
I need that.
Edge.
But
Undo. Undo.
how am I gonna do it?
Undo.
Did I heck it already? Shit, I might have already hecked this.
Undo.
Or did I? Maybe not yet.
Just calm down.
Vincent, now!
Now's my chance.
Edge.
Oh, thank God.
Edge.
Goodbye.
I made it! Okay. If I just open this. Dawn of victory! Whoa! It's still coming! Oh shit! Oh shit! do it? Hell yeah, I did it! Haha! The night is mine! Woohoo!
And on time for the branding deal.
Congratulations. The clock tower has been completed.
I'm sorry to say, tonight will be the last time I show you your memories.
Oh,
You've
yeah?
seen enough by now. To conclude, let's pick up where we left off on your budding romance.
5. Oh.
Yikes. Drank way too much. I'm really sorry, about last night.
We're both adults here. There's no need to apologize. What are you in the mood for today? I could make breakfast for us.
Hey, Catherine. Question. Do you want to be my girlfriend? How's that sound?
About time.
Well, do you remember what you held so dear? To be honest, I planned to enjoy watching a pitiful lamb drown in his regrets. But this took a turn for the unexpected. You truly are interesting. What lies ahead is a direct result of the path you've taken thus far. Will you let this experience fade into the past? That's up to you.
It's up to me. Uh-oh.
Ah!
Why did you throw my shit out of my
What are
window?
you doing here anyway? I mean, the ants, what are they doing here? Stupid ants.
They're after this. What is it? Cake? Well, who did you get this from?
How did ants get here so damn quick? That's the cake Catherine brought me a while ago. Oh, I've got a real sweet tooth is all.
Wait, really? So do I.
So, when'd you get here?
What, like you forgot? You said that you were feeling better, so I hurried right over.
Huh? When did I tell you that? I guess my memory's a little fuzzy.
Aw, you always say that. Relax, you worry too much. Trust me, you are just fine, baby.
Well, gee, thanks. Oh yeah. I don't have time today. Ah! What is it this time?
It's that horror movie I told you about. This is the last week they're gonna be showing it in theaters, remember?
What movie?
I don't know what I'm gonna do if I miss it.
Yeah, okay. Can we wait till tomorrow? I've kind of got some stuff to take care of today.
Yay! Alright! Hey, this will be our first real date! It'll be so much fun, don't you think?
I am totally lost here. Ugh.
Yes!
This is what it looks like when they're doing. I still don't know how she keeps sneaking into my damn house.
I've got to ask you something. You know what I'm talking about, right?
Huh?
Don't you have anything to tell me?
Vincent, what in the world are you talking about?
All right. I'm just gonna come out and say it.
Wait,
Listen
what's
to
going
me.
on?
I heard something the other day.
What did you hear?
Something from an acquaintance of yours.
What? Who?
Well, Do you know a guy named Steve?
Steve?
Yeah.
I don't know anyone named Steve.
Wait, what? You don't?
No?
No? Not even one?
Like I said, I don't know any Steves.
Well, how could you not? I mean, Steve's a pretty common name, right?
I don't know any Steves.
Wait! I did meet a Steve yesterday.
Yesterday?
My friend's son was named Steve. I think.
Son? How old is he?
2 months maybe? She'd just come back from the hospital.
No, not him. Don't you know any other Steves?
Huh? Well, I'm sure I do if I check.
You mean you have to check and see if you know anybody named Steve?
I guess so. Look, what is this all about?
Well...
Speak up and tell me. Who's Steve? Some friend of yours? What are you getting at?
Well, if you don't know, then let's just drop it. But you sure you don't know him, know Steve?
Why do you keep asking me that? I told you I don't know.
Wait, sorry. Never mind.
Huh?
Oh, What is going on? Did I get the wrong girl again? I can't think of anyone else. I'm glad to hear Catherine's not cheating, but this is not good. Maybe I should just tell her. No. Then she'll think I'm taking some random guy's word over hers. Shit. What can I say to believe me? Well, it's a good thing you don't know him. There's this asshole at my work who said he might know you. So,
Huh? Are you okay? You've been acting weird lately. You're pale. You say things that don't make any sense.
yeah, well, you know what? There's a lot of stuff that doesn't make sense lately. Like the future and everything. I don't get it.
What do you mean? You don't get it?
Well,
What part of our future don't you get?
that's not what I meant. I mean, I'm worried about work. It's a new job and all, and having problems with the clients, so I'm tired.
I've been getting strange texts lately.
Strange how?
I don't know. They don't make sense. It's just creepy.
Wait, what do they say? What are the words?
You know what? It's not important. Just forget it.
Okay, but
Look, Vincent, you're not hiding anything from me, are you?
Please just tell her, dude.
shit, I'm making her worry. And she says she's getting weird texts. I have to reassure her somehow. Come on, I'm not keeping anything from you.
Well, you've got to go back to work, right? I do too. I should go.
Huh? Oh, okay.
I'll call you.
Is this how God feels?
Which girl? What are you talking about?
Yeah, well, I asked around, and nobody knows who you are.
You told her?
Well, yeah, of course I did. I mean, that's the quickest way to split up, right?
Yeah. But what do you mean nobody knows me?
Well, that's exactly why I called. Look, why don't you just tell me something about the girl you called me about? Like, what does she look like? Sorry, but you got the wrong guy.
What?
I know a girl named Catherine, but it's somebody different.
What? Don't you try to fool me.
Look, the Catherine I know, she's white.
It can't be. I mean, she told me about you herself.
It's a different person. I don't blame you for all this, but please, just leave me alone.
What's going on? But where's my Catherine?
How should I know?
But she's all I have now. I'm already divorcing my wife.
Jesus!
She came into my life suddenly, and then I just...
I'm sorry to hear that.
I'm going crazy. It's gonna come for me, and
Look, I'm the one going crazy here! I won't call you again. So leave me alone, okay?
Wait, no, don't hang up. I still have...
What the hell was his problem?
I can't believe he hung up on him. He said don't. Gosh.
Okay.
Anime.
What the? That's smoke? Ren, you in there? What happened?
Oh god, she's dead. Oh god, she's nude. Wait! Oh!
Hey there, Vincent. Good morning.
Ren, are you, okay?
I think I am.
But you,
Yes!
are you a guy?
Oh, yeah, that's right.
We gotta go for Rin! We gotta go for Rin! We gotta go for Rin!
Wait. This can't be right. Is Ren seriously a guy? I mean, I had no fucking clue when I was falling. I mean, no, I wasn't falling in love or anything. I mean, what kind of a guy looks like that? What was I supposed to think? I mean...
And then my memories came back. Hey, Vincent, are you alright?
Don't touch me!
Hey, that's not cool.
I'm sorry.
Ren, wait, please!
Oh man, Vincent, why do you suck so much? God.
Shit. I fucked up. I really don't know anything, do I? Sitting here is not gonna fix anything. I gotta go apologize. Ah!
Oh.
Catherine!
Vincent! What are you doing in there?
Oh.
Oh, there was just a problem with the plumbing. What are you doing here?
Oh. Well, there's something I wanted to talk to you about. Do you have time?
Well, does it have to be right this second?
Well, yeah.
Huh?
Oh my god, what? Fuck off!
Are you serious?
Are you gonna get it?
No!
Oh.
Put that shit on
Don't
mute.
waste any more time. I might not be able to find Ren.